Why can't you play hide and seek with mountains? Because they're always peeking.
What did the one penny say to the other penny? We make perfect sense. Sense? Why was the broom late to school? Because it overswept.
What does a ghost do to stay safe in a car? He puts on his sheet belt.
What happens when a vampire attacks a snowman? It gets frostbite.
What kind of balls don't bounce? Easy. Eyeballs.
What is a skeleton's favorite instrument? A trombone. What goes up but never comes down? Your age. Why don't ducks ever have spare change? They only carry bills. Why was the math book sad? Because it had too many problems.